No
And
kidding.
here
For
too, we
sure.
had just a perfect fall day, didn't we?
Wasn't it gorgeous?
Yeah, a little cool,
Yeah.
but God, the sun was
A little
out.
cool. I mean, we were talking earlier about that, right? You know, it's a cold, crisp fall day. You wake up and there's a little bit of, coldness to the air, and you can see, some snow in some of the mountains. Mount Si and other mountains around the region have some snow on them. But then it's a nice sunny day, right? Not too bad. You gotta have sunglasses when you're driving in the car. 44 right now. Clear skies over the next day or two as we take a look at things here by Saturday. That's when the showers are going to come back, and we'll show you those details in just a minute. But current temperatures throughout the area: 33 Port Angeles, 39 Oak Harbor, 45 in Seattle. But take a look at this. Below freezing now in Shelton, 31, 32 right at freezing in Bremerton. So it is cold out there. The coldest morning of the season, actually. Nice sunny Thursday and Friday ahead. Rain and showers return early Saturday, as I mentioned a while back. Today, our high was 52, so we are 10 degrees below our average high, which is 62 for this time. As you know, September was cooler. October is now cooler than normal. So certainly I would love some warmer temperatures, but probably not going to get there. We're probably going to get average maybe on Friday, but that's about it. We're going to start to fall off our temperatures again as we head on into the weekend. Take a look at our futurecast here. This is showing what's happening right now. This is why we're staying clear and why we're staying sunny throughout the day is because there's really nothing happening. But as we take a look over the next few days here, this system is going to come in and bring some clouds. The clouds roll in Saturday during the early morning hours, Friday late night, and then the showers start showing up as we make our way Saturday during the day. Then off and on showers Saturday and Sunday, and that's when we get into our fall pattern. Want to take a hike? Tomorrow, going to be gorgeous. Mostly sunny after some morning fog, but you're going to have some great views if you go up into the mountains. Freezing level at 4,000 feet. Your temperatures will be in the low 40s. The forecast highs for tomorrow: northwest interior going to be in the mid to upper 50s. In the central part of our region, temperatures near 60 degrees out along the I-90 corridor out towards North Bend. In the mid to upper 50s elsewhere in that region. South Puget Sound is going to look like this with really below freezing temperatures today, overnight I should say, but by tomorrow back up into the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Out on the coast, a nice day for a beach walk. Of course, high temperature is going to be right around 60 degrees, and in eastern Washington, temperature is going to be in the mid 50s, as you can see here. But of course, I think every day is a nice day for a beach walk, right? Patchy morning fog, mostly sunny, and a high of 58. 63 on Friday, so we're back to normal, but then those showers come back in. Temperature is going to be right in the mid to upper 50s for the rest of our 7-day forecast, with some showers off and on during that period.
All righty. Thanks.